Dance. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark doo 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 doo. Daddy shark.
It's kind of like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Hey everybody, welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm your host, B1. Thank you for joining us today. What we're gonna be doing, get out of here, bug. We're gonna be cooking us a brisket. This one was about 13, almost 14 pounds. I've already trimmed it up, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my super secret seasoning on it. That is salt and pepper. Half salt, half pepper. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season up our brisket. Come on, wind. Rub that in. Now we got our brisket all seasoned up. We're gonna throw it on, fat side up. All right, folks, got the second brisket all seasoned up. Got our pit. It is 212 right now. It's going good. Got my big old pan of water right there. And I got another small one there. I need to go get 2 more probes and put them in the thingamajigger, the thermometer computer. We're gonna throw this second one on there, and we're gonna cook to an internal temp of 185 on the thickest part of the brisket. So still got to go get that, but we're gonna start cooking, folks. Enjoy. Hey folks, we got a external temp of 232. We got an internal temp of 156 on one brisket. Whoa, how does that even make sense? 179 on the other. I'm sure if that's right. That's what they say anyway. We've been on about 5 hours now. Seems to be going pretty quick. I don't know. We'll have to see. But here's what they look like. Holy, looking delicious. Hey guys, so it's about 4:30 in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, somewhere in there, and our temp had dropped because our fire died out a little bit, so I'm getting that back up. And internal temp on the briskets 140 still, so we got a nice fire going in here now. Keep that door shut. The brisket's been on for about 12 hours, give or take, 12 and a half. Our external temp is sitting at 205. Our internal temp, one's at 168, the other one's at 171. It's looking good. Open her up, let you check it out. Got that pan in there. That's why that lens just fogged up. Getting all that moisture created for that brisket. Keep it nice and moist. Ooh-wee. Well, I went inside to lay down, come back out, and my internal temp had jumped to 200, which was more than I wanted to go. I wanted to pull them off at 185. Here's what they look like. They look real good, but I'm just gonna let them rest now, and we'll see how they taste. I'll be bringing you to the party tonight. So we're over here at my sister and brother-in-law's house, and I'm gonna trim, or I'm not gonna trim. I'm gonna cut this brisket, slice it up, and then party starts at 5. It is 4:30. So, and then we'll see what everybody thinks about it. Okay?
So what'd you think, Papa?
That's pretty good stuff. I think I like the second one a little better.
A little better.
Yeah.
Shane?
Thought it was better than Easter.
Better than Easter? Who cooked the Easter?
Who took the Easter one that started?
Oh! Well, we gotta get that on camera. Tell that to the camera, Shane. All right, Mother. How? Okay.
You what?
How is it?
My son made this.
Your son? Which son? This son?
My favorite nephew.
That? Your favorite son?
Of course, my favorite son. The son that does everything for me.
Yeah, that's right. And Chris, pretty good?
You're my best nephew.
Yeah, that's right. This, honey,
You're my best husband. Best.
but I'm your only husband
Oh, well, that you know of.
that I know of.
All right.
Oh, are
So, how's the brisket, Benny?
It's gone. But I thought that it was somebody else that made it. It was you? Okay.
I mean,
It was all right. It was excellent, Brad. I thought it was one of those HEB like
Gartish?
pre-cooked briskets.
you like the brisket?
Yeah, it's okay. Hey, hold on, right here.
Oh,
You've done better.
whatever. Whatever. What do you think about the brisket?
I haven't tasted it.
Well, taste it.
No.
He likes the chicken legs. Hey,
Chicken leg.
how are the chicken legs? Yeah.
No, you don't have to put it in your mouth. How is the brisket, Joey?
It's delicious.
Take it to the base.
It's delicious. It's not as delicious as your beer.
Well, thank you.
It's nice.
It's better than Curtis's, my younger brother. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Catch you on the flip side, you dang hillbillies. Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
You've been carrying those power tools around?
Yeah. I mean, well, this is one of my vices. I have issues with tools.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen, probably.
Good shit.
Oh.
Way to go, Fred.
4th beer.
Patrick.
Ain't sitting too good. Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
Is that DNR?
All right, cook those two. What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.